money when I'm doing hairstyles because I don't keep the hair that long.
Ma'am, if you broke, just say that. Like,
so see that $10.99 beauty supply store. Look how long it is. 30-inch. So that's what we're about to put on this bun bun. I did the wrap over method. I don't feel like sewing or nothing. This is real simple and easy. So all you need is bobby pins. I'm about to make this smaller, so I'm gonna speed it up. If you want the detailed version of how I actually did the foundation, the bun part, it will be in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. So I did the hair after I do that. Okay, so this is the hair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use more than one, but I have two just, oops. Oh my gosh, I have two just in case. Okay, so I take the close side and I put it like this, and then I take this piece of hair and I wrap it. So hold on. Just to make it secure in its spot. And then I wrap. And then I take a bobby pin. Okay. Now, I think I'm gonna put another bundle in. Hold on. So I decided to just keep one. So now I'm about to show you guys how I cover the track or tracks. So I take this piece and I wrap. And that is it. Thank you guys. I don't know why I did that. Okay, so that is it. Now I'm about to slick all this back down because for some odd reason it didn't get the memo to say slicky. So I'm gonna use these two. Not so much of this, just a little bit because I don't want it to turn white, but mainly this. So I spray. Well, squirt, not spray. But I'm sorry. Okay. Also, this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and stay tuned for what's next. See, my baby hairs act like they don't need to stay down. But bye, y'all.